Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to reveal the best US dropshipping suppliers. So let's begin with our list. On number one, we have Spocket or S-Pocket. As you can see, we are on the home page of Spocket and it is a dropshipping platform for original US and EU products. So it caters to US and EU people from all over the world. You can get products and get them shipped all over the world. If you scroll down, you can see that these are some of the benefits with Spocket, which are sell with ease, up-to-date inventory, best quality products, great profit margin, and super fast delivery. This platform has been so successful that it has been featured on so many places like Forbes, Shopify, Techstars, and many others. If you scroll down, you can see you can find winning dropshipping products on Spocket and try the products for yourself as well. If you go to the top navigation bar and hover your cursor on dropship, you can see all the categories of products that you can get from Spocket. And the integrations supported here are all these, which are Shopify, AliExpress, Wix, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Ecwid, BigCommerce, Square, Alibaba, eBay, which is coming soon, and FedEx. To get started, you simply need to give in your email address here, and no credit card is required. Give in your name, email address, or use your Google or Facebook account to sign up on Spocket. That was it about the first platform. Let's move on to the second one, which is Dropify. As you can see, we are on Dropify's homepage. It is basically a software application. It will allow you to easily import and manage dropship products from a variety of different e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. And the ones that you can integrate with this platform are right over here. You can see BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, Commerce, HQ, and GroveCart. And it is as easy as these three steps. First, you need to find and import products that you want to sell from your different platforms, and then you can promote. After creating your store with this Dropify platform, you can promote it and finally automate it. That is how it looks like. It's a screenshot. And if you want to get started on this, you have two options to know how you can start with your eBay or AliExpress store. You can click here. If you want to sell private label supplements, you can click over here. To get started, simply click on Get Started. It is free and that's how it works. You can add products in seconds on AliExpress, eBay, and Alibaba, automatically place orders, sell your products for free on Facebook Marketplace, find, import, and edit products. That's how the editor looks like. Track, manage, and customize orders without any hassles, etc. There are so many advantages of using this particular platform called Dropify. Let's move on to our third recommendation, which is SaleWho. SaleWho calls itself the directory of wholesale companies. So if you're interested in wholesale buying or drop shipping, this is the platform for you. As you can see, they have more than 8,000 suppliers and more than 2.5 million products on their platform. Scroll down and you can see there are three things that you can do over here. One is the SaleWho directory, which we are interested in this video because that's where you will drop ship. Then you have SaleWho Dropship that allows you to integrate specifically with your Shopify store. And then there is SaleWho Educate, where you can get to know how to launch a successful online store. These are where the platform has been featured, as you can see over here. And then if you scroll down, you can see this is how the platform looks like once you integrate it with your Shopify store. SaleWho directory allows all these kind of benefits that you can see over here. You can identify high profit, in-demand products with the market research lab, filter through 8,000 and more suppliers, discover trustworthy suppliers, negotiate for lowest price, and also get exclusive insider deals. To get started, you only need to click this Get Started Now button at the top right corner, and you can see this is the rate for it, and all the benefits that you get within this plan are mentioned over here. That's it for the third platform. Let's move on. What's on number four? Number four is Whitebox. Whitebox calls itself a new type of e-commerce platform, as you can see over here. It offers brands a trusted fulfillment solution, and also it offers full service advertising. So it manages everything from the listing to advertising and also selling the products online. So you get everything under one roof with White Box. This unique model gives a very different way of dropshipping for new brands or startups. If you scroll down, you can see the e-commerce lifecycle over here. The first step is to connect. So Whitebox will directly connect to your branded store and marketplaces of your choice to automate order fulfillment. On step two, we have store. You can just ship your inventory to Whitebox. And then the third step is listing. So if you're ready to sell, the marketplace team will optimize your product listings. Then comes advertising because they have an integrated advertising strategy as well that is going to help you win on Amazon. And then the fifth step is to sell wherever your customers are. The sixth step is to ship, pool inventory from Whitebox for any of your sales channels straight to your customer's door, which is really simple. And finally, optimize. So that's how it works on Whitebox. And you can see their success rates is pretty high with almost everything above 99%. These are some of the benefits or features you get with Whitebox, as you can see over here. The sign up process on this platform, Whitebox, is pretty simple. You just need to click on the Get Started button on the top right side of the home page, and you will be taken to this page where you can see how you can simply start by filling in this form. Just select the options over here, give in all the details that is required, and hit the Let's Talk button over here. That's it about Whitebox. On number 5, last but not the least, we have Modelist. Modelist is where you can build your own brand. It is not only about drop shipping on Modelist, Modelist also focuses on print on demand products. So along with drop shipping products of normal categories, you can also get print on demand products. Click on this View Products button to see what all products you can sell with this platform called Modelist. Modelist helps creators and merchants all around the globe grow their business. So there have been more than 10 million products added virtually and more than 350,000 e-commerce stores that have been served on this platform, and 50 million online shoppers have been reached through this platform, which is pretty good. You can see that Modelist has been rated as the top drop shipping platform by so many big people like Forbes, MSNBC, Vogue, etc. These are the e-commerce platforms that can be integrated with Modelist, which are Shopify, Wixstore, and BigCommerce. And if you scroll down further, you can see how exactly it works. There are these 5 steps over here. First is to start for free by creating an account by just clicking on one button. Then it goes to connect. You can connect your Shopify, Wix, or other platforms to Modelist. Third step is curating the best products for your listings, and then customize the products to fit your online store. And finally, sell and create profit. So those were all the top 5 US dropshipping suppliers or platforms that we have to recommend to you. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has helped you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you have any topic suggestions, do put them down as well. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.